If you're out there somewhere feeling lonely, you're not the only one. You're not the only one. Hi, I'm AJ Brown, lead singer for Third World.
And I'm NORRIS WEBB, keyboards for Third World.
This is Third World.
And this is INNA WI YAAD JA. Bang bang.
INNA WI YAAD JA.
That's right.
Bless us, love. Welcome back to INNA WI YAAD, and this is DJ Blue as usual, and we are with one of the members of one of the most iconic bands from Jamaica, Third World, and we're here with the lead singer, one and only. Make him introduce himself, you know.
AJ Brown. But you don't know, we have a football player named AJ Brown, so this is the AJ Boots Brown.
Boots Brown.
Okay.
Not Puss in Boots, you know. Boots Brown. Welcome to INNA WI YAAD.
Rastafari limit.
It's a joy to see you again. You
yes,
know what I mean?
man. I remember you were telling me something about you used to introduce me on stage.
Yeah, man.
In them time when we were working on the North Coast and building the whole tourism
yes, man.
program and
it was a long time
package.
ago.
For real, man.
Over
For
20
real,
years ago.
For real.
And I was just telling my friend just now that my life just made a full circle. Because I started when I was 16, almost 17,
Yes.
working in the hotel industry. Yeah? And I was introducing you on stage, not knowing you that you were like a big artist.
Yeah.
You understand?
Well, yes,
and
man.
then just to meet you again in Europe, 20 hard years after that.
And energy still there, eh? Energy is still there, man.
Tell me
understand?
about your journey from the time we used to do cabaret singing. Cabaret singing.
That was the name they gave it.
Yeah.
But in essence, we were making sure that the tourism product at that time, because remember the all-inclusive phenomenon was alive and well in Jamaica, and we had taken that to the world, and that was how my career as an entertainer bloomed into itself, and you know.
Did you started to record before doing cabaret singing or after cabaret singing?
It was during, actually, because by that time I was making enough money to not only go to art school in Kingston, but also to produce my own albums. The first album was Love People, with a song of the same name, Love Somebody. There was an album called Nowhere Like Jamaica, but it was more, island blended, with tunes like Island in the Sun and Big Bamboo and Yellow Bird and those things.
It worked in the seas, and you got a lot of promotion in the hotels by singing these songs, and it worked.
Exactly, right.
So when did you get your first hit? Because I know you as this. I didn't know that you were.
Yeah, well, when I came back from Vegas, Benji Myers,
yes, man,
introduced me to Bobby Digital.
Okay,
Bobby Digital produced a lot of songs, a lot of my hits. My Father, My Friend, Words of Wisdom. I have at least 16, 16 tunes, or about 2 albums worth of tunes with Bobby.
So how was from being a cabaret singer that everybody that comes to Jamaica, it's a good promotion, I think, because every tourist that comes to Jamaica will know you. Yeah,
that's the thing.
Everyone.
That was the phenomenon of the North Coast, because we're people like Bob Marley and Toots and the Maytals and Jimmy Cliff, all of them were going on tours. To outside of the island. I was
in the island.
I was in the island, and
tour.
people came to see me. And so I was just my tour destination was a different hotel.
Because you had people from every part of the world.
Yes, sir.
That came to see you, not knowing that they came to see you. But when they left, it's like, no. And that thing that you did tonight, I've seen it a lot of times, and I told him, I said, Matty, listen this. this, with this. And from then till now,
Yes, sir.
yeah,
Yeah.
the voice don't change.
And that's the magic of being able to work on the North Coast and create your own crowd and your own fan base.
One of my favorite songs, yeah?
Mm.
Father, my friend.
Yes, sir.
More you give the piece, the people, a little piece. Don't give them too much, just a little piece.
I'll big up to all the sound man. And big up DJ Blue, you don't know it go. My father, my friend, my God, my guide, yeah. Forever you will be, and I will sing by your side. My father, my friend.
Cost it. I just come off of the stage. We're in Amsterdam, Paradiso, and we're here chilling with the one and only AJ Brown, lead singer now of one of the greatest band, I think, Third World. Now, the transition from your hit song, My Father, My Friend, and all these songs that you have. When did you decide to become the member of Third World?
Well, what happened was unbeknown to me. I did the last Reggae Salute after the show. After the show, me and my wife, back there on. Bunny Ruggs stayed with me all night after the show and hung out for the whole of Reggae Salute.
Yeah.
Unbeknown to me, he was scouting. He was scouting Mama.
Yeah.
And it took a while, but then a year after that, I was asked if I would want to do a couple of gigs with them because Bunny couldn't make those tour schedules. So I went and did them, and it was a real nice vibe.
How did you feel when you get here? Say, yo, this band has been B band, one of B band, and them said, no, AJ, no one, you for the leads now.
Yeah.
What was your feeling towards this?
Well, I'll be honest. I've been working behind the scenes with them for years. So we had mutual respect for each other.
Yeah.
And but when they asked me to be the lead singer, it was mixed emotions because I would have wanted to go on tour with Bunny.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
I would have wanted to do that, but it just didn't work out. And in reality, I had to substitute for him. I had to take over from him. Yeah. So the whole thing is it was bittersweet, but I took my job seriously and made sure that the essence of Bunny was preserved, and the integrity of the band,
But
level up.
I have goosebumps now. Say,
Yeah.
I knew you from way back then, yeah?
Yes, sir.
And a band like this will look at you and say, say, I think, and even Bunny say, I think you can do this in the place of me, but pass this on to you.
Yes, I.
It's a great legacy, man.
Man, for real, for real. Right.
Joyful.
Yeah, man. I feel great about it, and we're still continuing the whole legacy, of what Third World has meant to Jamaica. Is still relevant with what's happening because we released more work to be done. The last album in 2018, I think 2019, and it's
going good.
It's been part of the legacy of the Third World catalog. So it's good to know that I contributed in that way. And it's an ongoing journey for me. So I'm up to the task, and as you can see and hear,
and you're good.
trust me, man, Paradise. Oh my gosh,
Proud of you for that, man.
The show tonight was
Yeah,
you know,
you did well, man, and the
I tell
people
you.
accepted
For real.
everything that you did.
the whole experience of working with Third World, you know, Cat Core before he passed on was a rotted ride, man. Things that I won't even forget.
Yeah.
You know, just based off of the achievements that we did just in my time.
Yeah.
I believe that we still have a lot more to say, and I believe that we will be as relevant, you know,
Because I was
as we were.
I was looking tonight, and when you guys introduced the new member,
Wigs, yeah.
and I'm like,
Well done.
I was thinking about this today. Like, this band is a great band, and I'm not saying they're getting old, you know,
Right.
but we're not that young anymore. So we don't want this group to die. So I was happy to see that you guys have a new member, recruiting new people. So if you can't make it, like how Brother couldn't make it, someone else can continue the bond. I'm so happy, because I was going to ask you guys, like, do you have this? But I've seen that you have it.
Yeah, man. You have to remember, you know, that Third World has created such a rich legacy of music and musicianship that whenever you come to a Third World show now, you're seeing 6 stars or however much the members are, a star. All of them a star.
Yes.
You understand? So that is what you're getting now.
Yeah.
You're getting 6 talented musicians or 5 talented musicians who are at the peak of their game, and the energy that you're getting is what makes Third World what.
So this question now, when I try to get in a trouble. So which one of the members them can sing very well?
Which one of the members
can sing very well, play an instrument very well, but can't cook? To save them life.
Which one
of the members
that
can sing very well,
can play an instrument very well, but can't cook?
To save them life.
I have no idea. I have no idea.
Who is that?
I have no, Mr. You go so, you know, so I don't want. I don't want. Well, Mr. You go so, you know, so I wonder if you give me a hint. Well, Richie, he's asking me a question. Ask a question.
So, well, I know. Then now we have to go make everybody sit down to make the camera.
Presenting. This is Tony Eruption.
Come sit down.
This is my name, Eruption.
Yeah.
This
Come
is.
sit down. Yeah.
You know me get it from?
Oh.
From my cooking.
This is NORRIS Web, so it cannot be Ruppy.
So remember saying that you this
I get my name, Eruption, from my cooking.
So it cannot be you.
No.
Come sit down. Come sit.
The man asked the question, who can play, who can sing, but cannot cook.
Yeah.
So we're trying to find out who that is.
Since start the whole thing about the cooking, so now tell you, so my name now comes from my cooking.
Yeah. So everybody agree with that.
Yeah. Yes, but tell him.
You have to know why.
Tell him why.
You have to know why you get the eruption.
Why you getting the
This version in our band, we are on a project with Stephen Wonder, right?
Yeah.
He was producing an album with us, and we went to LA.
LA days.
So we, sharing an apartment. Anyway, band members, we now have apartments. Every day,
somebody have
to cook. So only cook for them thing and then cook for them thing. My day, I cook a pot of rupture.
of soup.
It's a soup. So my soup now is a healthy pot, and then time I have veggies. So I pay veggie and beans and rare and tea. So
But you have to explain, say, to we now, I watch. Him doesn't show anything in see. In the pot. The man said to me, him say this, him say, I'm just doing
just wake up, improvise. But up your healthy thing. It sound like I want shit.
So when all right, so
No,
get
you
in here.
So blend up with my bean.
Right.
And then blend it out. So it come like a curry.
Puree.
Puree.
Yeah.
All right, yeah. It's soup bad, man. I want
Right.
to veg. But what really is the name stick now? One day, I put on the pressure thing. I put
Pressure
some
thing.
peas. So I go shoot my little
We
basketball.
used to play basketball.
So I can go shoot 2 balls
And
about
come
10 minutes or 15.
For God.
The moral of the story.
And I rush here.
Pressure, remember?
Pressure.
The pressure part. You know pressure part.
The pressure cooker.
The pressure
Lick
cooker.
off the top.
Lick off the top.
Every bee and bees at the rooftop.
Amongst the blows and skirts, it's an eruption. This.
So this the name really stick that.
Yeah.
But okay, so we get the name. So you
But
get
the food, but the soup are the wickedest thing you ever seen.
I'm guessing food in our ceiling.
Well, we have to do a new food. Never do a new one.
But
Have to clean up the place, eh?
kind of, you know, unify the whole meal.
Yeah.
But guess what now? We send man drink my soup. The man them one people.
So one person take them saying very quick.
Yes.
Okay.
So you take yourself out there too.
Yeah, means I really cook.
About the cooking?
Yeah.
No, I was spoiled. The rest of the man them cook for me. So me never,
Right.
me never,
This is the man.
me never have to cook. Rob should take care of me.
Yeah,
God take care of me. Fish.
yeah, you just come in.
Me just come.
Yeah,
But wait. But there is one thing we can cook. Rice and bean. That's it.
rice
That sounds like a water you boil, man.
Rice and bean.
As far as me is concerned, we can manage myself. And
And maybe an egg.
I don't cook everything. I used to cook a lot, but since we stopped eating meat, we don't really cook them things now. But right now, we still can cook chicken and few things.
But you know, some used to cook them things for my kids though. We used to cook chicken.
Only swimmers.
All of them something. Even though
We
me
cook,
not
we
eat it,
cook
I just
salmon
cook it.
and them things. But when I really, I cannot, I would love to cook. I can saltfish great, but I cannot get it right.
Why not? It's the simplest thing to cook, man.
No, no, but some of you,
Option.
Me tell
some of you, but what?
you have a scala the ake first.
Not boil your
Not
kidney.
boil it, just
Well,
you
yeah,
clean your
scala.
scala. And if you're not ready to cook it, you put it in your freezer. You put it in your refrigerator, freezer. So when you
freeze it,
saute your vegetable and the saltfish and the vegetable, you chew in. Okay.
Didn't get the chance to really did.
Yeah, because you took a
because of
for a long time with the lease.
Yes, so that me I tell the cousin just like that, but alright. No, so
Just
it
like
was a pleasure
Yeah, man.
to sit with you guys and enjoy the show.
Yeah,
I
man.
know.
Finally.
Basically,
Yeah, man.
when I tell Mr. Basie starts telling me, I say yes. Basie are going with himself.
Yeah,
So
Richie bar.
me I call you Basie.
No, me not like this.
Alright, Richie.
Yeah, Richie.
It's a pleasure.
Got enough bass in there about it, but it's
But
one
yeah,
Richie bar.
No, this one at a time. I don't know where you get the style from in eruption.
Yeah.
Yeah, water, man. As a next eruption, that, you know.
You purify it.
And the next part of the rock.
I want at the time to know the outside. We have a conversation about this man mash up in king. Him just a beat.
Let's say,
One at the time, stand man beat today and cymbal mash up.
Symbol boss not to
Eruption. You have the right.
Him have the right.
Joy.
Him just create eruption.
I just say energy where you have around the drums.
Yeah.
That's the spirit of my stuff.
Yeah, man.
Ancestors.
Yeah,
them.
ancestors.
I see it, man. That time I see him say to me, I say, yeah.
Yeah,
different.
ancestors.
Uncle.
That's right.
Yeah, man.
The man with the biggest smile in that room. You know, see it?
Check out him shoes. Show shoes.
I'm not telling us, boy. Man,
A red top in a red top.
What call him grandma boy?
I tell us a pretty boy, man. Everything said the girl will take him. I don't have to go wait for him. But it was enjoy sitting with you guys and even just spending the day because this is a dream to a lot of people, my boss.
See?
Yeah, man.
This
Yeah,
is
we'll
a
feel it
dream
from
come
the people
true.
them
Like,
tonight.
like even me for myself, like, sure, you understand?
Yeah, man.
And them people me I talk to, and them
Yeah, man,
people,
it's a joy for
it's
me,
a
man.
joy
It's
to
a dream.
To
So
see
we live with dream. That's how I live with dream.
Yeah,
Because there's no
good
like,
dream too.
job or
we
career or no.
We don't have no other job.
Nothing. This is where I think it can be better than it Bokasana. You enjoy enjoy what you do, and you're doing what you enjoy. You're living the life where you love and you love what you do.
That's why them
can't
just-
get no better.
And if you guys had a message that you can give an upcoming artist or a band or a musician, what?
Me personally, I would actually tell the artist or band or anything, do it from your heart and keep it real. Don't follow no hype. Do whatever comes from your inner feeling, your inner being, because when people out there and they're real, they're going to feel it, you know. If you're trying to force anything, then eventually it's going to drop off.
Yeah, do what you love, and you never work a day in your life.
Yeah, man.
See, yeah, man. Yeah, man. Just stay positive and stay healthy and strong, and be yourself
Be yourself.
and
That
be the
is
best of yourself.
Yes, every day you strive
the
to
best of
be the
yourself.
best.
This is Third World with DJ Blue. I would say, INNA WI YAAD JA.
Yes, see the man there.
Lecture, DJ Blue, you know.